Hey guys, welcome back to another video, bro. It's been so long, man. How long has it been? It's been since the last time we posted a video, you know? Very sorry I didn't post a video. Very sorry, like seriously, bro. Like seriously. Look, I can't even get that framing right. There you go. But yeah, lately I've been fishing.
Yeah, baby, look at this shit. Ooh, 4-pounder, boy, on a wacky rig, bro. Look at that. Oh shit. Goodbye.
You know, so I'm gonna start a new series on my channel. It's gonna be like fishing with Bino. You know, if you like fishing, then come watch the videos. But if you don't like fishing, then watch the other videos. You know, I'm gonna be posting a lot of fishing videos because I'm trying to get better at fishing. Me and my boy Anthony been starting fishing. Like, you know, I just got this rod recently. The Zebco. It's only $10, but you know what? It does its job. This is Anthony's. This is not his reel. The reel is this reel. This one right here. This other Zebco. But he broke it actually. Look, the tip right there snapped. And yeah, we've been fishing a lot. So today's video is gonna be fishing. All right, fishing with Bino. Let's see how much fish we can catch today. And I just want to say, thank you guys. Thank you guys. If you're watching this video and you're still here, bro, you're one of the best, man. Shout out to you, because you're the best, you know?
Hey guys, so we're heading to the fishing spot and it looks so sketchy, bro. I caught 4-pounders here, 8-pounders, fucking 3-pounders, bro. I'm telling you, this place, I'm not saying it, but this place is the best place for beginners. Like, if you're a beginner, like my boy Anthony, he never caught a fish before, and then he like third cast on his first time here. It was crazy, bro. He caught his first fish, and it wasn't no tiny fish. It wasn't no dink, bro. It was a biggin. It was a biggin. You know, like John B would say. But I got a wacky rig on the red, and I got a drop shot on the gray. So let's see how much fish we can catch today. Look at this place, man. Look at this place. Great place. If y'all want to come fish with me, just hit me up, alright? Alright, so I've been fishing the first spot for like 20 minutes, and I gotta say, bro, this place is usually the juice, but today it's fucking ass. Let's go into the second spot. Oh shit. Second spot, it was a success. Got it. Oh, bro, second cast, bro. I'm telling you, man. Oh. I'm telling you, bro, this shit, juice. That nigga just took it. I was like, what the fuck is that? Is that a fucking stick? That shit started fighting back. I was like, oh, there's a fish. So, second spot, that's one. Let's get another one. Alright, so I only had one bite. Or actually, I only had one fish in this spot. And there's this little one that's trying to get it. And you know what? Fuck that little one. I only catch biggins out here, baby. Only biggins. So let's move on to the next spot, alright? I'll see you there. Third spot, bust. So let's go to the second. Fourth spot. Fourth spot, bust. Bro, I only got one fish, bro. It's like an hour already. What the fuck's wrong with this place? Let's go on to the fifth spot. Stupid ass place, bro. I hate this place. Well, guess what spot number 5 was? A fucking bust. Nigga, I feel like... Damn, bro. Damn. It's a fucking bust. Please, God, give me another fish. Just please. Please, bro. Please. I'm just asking for one more fish. No, I'm not saying that. I'm just asking for another fish. Okay? Now let's try spot number 6. Let's go. Ooh, guess what number 6 had? Nigga, this a fucking 10-pounder, bro. Holy shit. Let me get him out. Hey, chill out, man. Chill out, man. Fuck, my finger stuck. Oh, shit. Oh my god, bro. Bro, this nigga's a stud. Look at this shit. Stud, bro. Look at the stomach on that thing. Holy crap, bro. If you look at this with me, bro, this nigga's big as fuck. Look, I'm a big nigga. That's why this shit looks tiny next to my face. Look at that shit. Thank you. Oh my god. Thank you, God, so much. I love you. Alright, let's release this nigga. I'm not gonna show you though, because this is big nigga shit, boy. Alright. Moving on to the next spot, bro. This spot, I guess it was good. This after I caught that big 6-pounder, bro. After I caught that pounder, it was there was another fish after that, but I guess my hook is too small or something because it didn't get hooked. So let's go on to the next spot, bro. You have no idea what just fucking happened. Look at this beast, bro. Look. This is a big ass pounder, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god. He's like 6 pounds. Look how big he is. I'm gonna get the hook out and I'm gonna release it, okay? Bro, there's just no way. No way I caught that, bro. Anthony, bro, that's the 3-pounder, bro. Remember from all the way over there, bro? Remember from all the way over there? Bro, is that 3-pounder, dude? It's that 3-pounder. It got bigger, bro. It got bigger. Oh my god. What a way, bro. I'm speechless. I gotta go, man. Well, I cast all the way in, like, by these bushes over here. And guess what I caught? Another fucking 3-pounder. It's just 3 pounds though. So let's release this digger. And oh, I hooked it good, bro. Look at that. And again, I caught all these fish on a worm, bro. I'm telling you, worm. I am a worm fisherman, bro. Worms are my specialty. So I'll go golf niggas. All right, let me unhook this nigga and let's release him. All right, buddy. Have a good day. Same spot, smaller fish. He's a little dank, little Jimmy Dank, you know. So let's let him go. Oh shit, my phone's gonna fall in the water, bro. Look, you see him? He's a dick. He made me lose my worm. My only worm with a fucking screw weight on there, bro. Now I'm gonna be stuck with some stupid ass worm that can't even sink. Whatever. Got another one. Look at this guy. He just came up and pounded my shit. I know that just sounded gay, but you know, fuck you guys. I kind of brained him, you know. But he swam off, so he's good, you know. When you pump a bitch, ow, damn ant. When you pump a bitch, you fuck a bitch. So I eyed this poor guy. It's another one though. I hope you're okay, buddy. Can you see him? Please don't float. Please don't float back up. Alright, he's good. And another. And another one. I almost missed. And bro, here's another one. Bro, look at this hole, bro. Look. Oh wait. Look at this. Let's release him. Oh fuck! I missed. Sorry, buddy. Sorry. Got in there? Oh my god, I fucking missed. There's another one. Let's not miss this time. Here's another one. Let's unhook this thing. I'll be right back. Well, that concludes. I think I'm gonna go home, bro. It's hot as fuck. I'm getting sunburnt, and I'm also getting sunburnt. And there's just little fucking plants on the ground that fucking stick on my socks, and that shit acts like a fucking needle, bro. No, hell no. I'm going home. Fuck that shit. What's it called? Today was a really good day. I mean, I caught that fucking 6-pounder, bro. That fucking 6-pounder. Today, there was no dinks. Maybe like 1 or 2 dinks, but you know what? I'll get what I get. At least I didn't get one fish. Like you know, sometimes I get 1 fish, sometimes I get 14 fish. And I'm happy I got a lot of fish, okay? See you guys at home. Finally home. Oh my gosh, it's been a long day out fishing, you know. And you know what? Oh, pimple. You know what I want to do? I want to go to sleep, bro. I just took a shower. It's hot as fuck. I even got this on my window because the sun is still beating through this freaking room, bro. I just want to go sleep, man. Thank you for watching.